The first step in securing business permit is getting barangay clearance at the barangay. Again, what is the first step in securing business permit?
Kakulang po muna tayong lahat here po sa may front ng stage because we will be having a soap making demo po.
Ang bilis eh.